Hey, welcome back. I'm from Exploring Excel, myself Amir Daborkar. You can email me at exploringofficeexcel@gmail.com. Excel Shortcut Series 2. Let's move on to our sheet. Okay. Now this is some of the Excel Shortcut Series 2. Must have seen the Excel Shortcut Series 1. The link is below the description. Now in the Excel shortcut series 2 you will learn this type of shortcuts. Must be some of the shortcut you must be knowing and some of them not. So you can just see how I am just demonstrating this shortcut series, and this will probably add your speed to your worksheet and will increase the pace of your speed of doing any work in Excel. So let's go to do the first one, that is control 1 to display the format cells dialog box. So how to do? So format cells, I am clicking that cell and pressing control 1. Oops, it's low. Okay, now it opens the format cell dialog box. Now I can just do whatever I want. Alignment, font, I want a bold and italic. Then I want the outline borders. I want to fill it with some light color. Pattern also I need. No, not this. Small pattern. Lock and hidden. I need it is locked and also hidden. Okay. So it does. So this is how the control 1 works. Let's moving to the next one, that is control 2, 3, 4 and 5. So control 2 does control 1 displays format cell dialog box. Then after that control 2 applies or removes the bold format. For example, here control 2, I am pressing control 2, it applies the bold format. I can also do this action with control B. That must be little bit easier to do with control B as control plus bold, control plus italic and control plus underline. The same way I can remove control 2 or control B to remove that format. Still I am just putting it control B. To do italic format, press control 3, same here, control I instead of that, and to remove it again press the control 3 or control I. To do the underline format, press control 4, it is besides each other, control 2, 3 and 4 to make this underline. Also you can do control U. Most probably you will remember BIU format, bold, italic and underline, but this is also the given by Excel, and to remove just press the same thing. Control 5 to remove strike through. This is something new. For example, apply or remove the strike through. Press the control 5 key to apply a strike through. Strike through means you can see when I zoom this little. The strike through is like this, applies a strike in this value, and press control 5 to remove that strike through. Okay, now going to the next. To apply an outline border, so just select the cell which you want to apply the outline border and press control shift and control shift and sorry I am just one second, control shift and it applies the outline border to that cell, not all borders. Okay, so this is how this outline border is done. The next trick is about control shift and dollar. It applies the currency format with 2 decimal places, negative number in parentheses. For example, this is a positive number, so just pressing control shift dollar sign, it will change directly to the dollar number for currency format, not number format, currency format. but this is something negative. Sometimes you have a negative balances, and that's all. So control shift and this, so it makes it the red and also in the brackets. The next one is applies the date format. This is something number. You usually see that sometimes you write the date and it formats in the number, or sometimes you copy a date and paste it, paste something like this. It's a number format. How to quickly change to this date format at DDMMYY. DDMMYY. You can just change your settings and go to whatever you want, DDYY, or then DD then slash MMM/YYYY. You can change your own formats, or you can add your custom format. Just press Control Shift and hash. Control Shift hash. So you get 27 December 2009. Also you can do the same thing by pressing Control 1 as I mentioned here to display the format cell dialog box. So that's over. The next trick is for the Control Shift and applies the time format with hours, minutes, AM and PM, AM or PM. Time format. So for example, I write 7.14. How it applies the time? Control Shift and add 3:21 AM. It applies the format according to the basic set of rules. You need some type of formatting to get the exact time, like 1/7/1900, as the date was not mentioned, and this time. Okay. So the next formatting is about Control Shift exclamation. To apply the number format with 2 decimals places 1000 separator and a minus sign for the negative. Then for 2 decimal places it increases the decimal places. For example, just see Control Shift and exclamation. Control Shift and then exclamation. Comma separators, 2 decimals, it applies the same. Same for here. Now here Control Shift and exclamation, negative formatting, minus sign here, comma separator and 2 decimal. The last one is insert time. Insert time can be done with the today function. Today function for their today's date. Now function for the time and date. This is how it is. Basically it is. But you can do the same thing by Control Shift and semicolon. If you want to insert only date, then Control semicolon, it inserts the date. Time here, date. Okay. So how to insert the date? But as it is now something formatting problem, you can insert here Control this. Only date shows, not this. You can move down. Can delete. Okay. So this how this is all the 4 shortcuts are done. I am just showing all the shortcuts again. This all shortcut for Control 1, then format, then bold, italic, underline, then strike through, outline, border, currency, percentage format with no decimal. Oops, I forgot to show you this percentage format with no decimal. I forgot to show you percentage format with no decimal places. I forgot to show you. So, for example, you have percentage at 1.5, 1.0 or 1.5. Just pressing the keyboard shortcut Control Shift and percentage is easy to remember. Control Shift percentage. You get here the percentage. Also, if you want like 0.6, that will be 0.6, that will be mostly 60%. See, then also you can just do 0.66%, like that. All below the point. Above the point is about 100%. Is that all the things which I have to show you this Excel shortcut series 2. Do watch the Excel shortcut series 1, which has some of the cool Control 9, Control Shift 9 and all these shortcuts, which makes your worksheet more easy to work. Like for inserting a date, you don't have to do equals to today or equals to now, and so on functions. So hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe and watch more videos. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.